joined Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
See, permission, as per my knowledge, permission was given by the Department of Forest. Permission dila, that permission is already being shown to the High Court by the village panchayat. All permission. As the permission left sale, that did not come to the notice of the PWD or panchayat or the tree cutter or the contractor, whoever it is. So everybody is scared. So let the statement be given to the court. Let the court decide. एक कितें आणलें, एक दोन झाडां आतां कोण येयलो आनी झाडां मारीत गेलो आनी ते कांयच परमिशन ना. हे सगळे परमिशन मागलेले, परमिशन दिल्ले आनी परमिशन लेफ्ट जाले. हे तीन गोष्टी आहेत. बेस्ट जज इज द हायकोर्ट बिकॉज द मॅटर इज इन द हायकोर्ट.
After the tree cutting has been happened, sir.
लेफ्ट जाले म्हणजे डेट एक्सपायर जाली न्हू, तेजे उपरांत कट जाली. पयली थोडी कट जाली, तेजे उपरांत जी आहली ती लेफ्ट सावन कट जाली अशें म्हणून एलिगेशन आहा.
सर गव्हर्नमेंट जाग्यावर सर जी अशी
Sir, but why they are blaming for you, sir? But